Hello everybody, this is Ahmed from Global Overseas Group. Today we are in Chinese exhibition about paper machinery. I got one company here, they back in the tissue and the napkin and also diaper inside the paper bag. So we is Mr. Muharram. Hello Mr. Muharram.
Hello, Ahmed.
Nice to meet you today. I wanted to introduce your machine to people. So let me explain. This machine can backing like how many pieces inside?
8 mm, yeah.
So the thickness can be a maximum 8 mm, right?
8 mm, right, yeah.
Okay. So can you can back inside like a diaper, like tissue, like napkin?
Yeah, this kind of...
Yeah, no problem, huh?
No problem. It is in per minute, so we can pack like 60 to 80.
So how about the paper using here is a normal paper, right?
This is normal paper. I think the European standard, in all around Europe, the all nylon film, I think, will be forbidden. This is the new generation machine. Maybe first machine, one of the first machine in China. A couple of years later, I think it will be a really important, popular machine. It is really easy to open and 100% environment friendly.
Yes.
100% recyclable.
Yeah.
And paper. And like this diaper.
Yes.
Or tissue. Or wet tissue.
So this paper like including any kind of glue or something?
Some glue. That glue to make like
the sealing,
smooth sealing.
I see.
And the sealing is, as you see, it is 3-side sealing. And it is easy to open.
Easy to open, okay.
Easy to open.
So if we talk about the speed, speed for this machine, how many pieces per minute?
Per minute it is 60 to 80.
60 to 80.
80,
okay,
yeah.
Okay.
So it's 60 to 80 with the automatic feeding machine.
So this machine can link to the automatic machine production line.
Sure.
Also, you can feeding manual, right?
If you like manual, like that one.
Okay. So the speed is 60 to 80
with the feeding machine.
With feeding machine.
With the feeding machine.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.